Welcome! In today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable and disable cheats commands in CS2 on the practice mode. To do it, open the console and type sv_cheats true. That should allow us to use cheats commands. For example, use noclip. Noclip is on, as you can see. Here we can fly. Deactivate the noclip. And now to disable the cheats commands, type again sv cheats and this time type false. We can check it by enabling noclip once more. And now cheat command is ignored. So it works. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye!